Many days ago, I warned you about significant drop on Bitcoin and entire market. As you can see in the previous idea, I showed to you that the best place would be to take short after some consolidation. You take short, or if price would do some higher high. Only in those cases you take a trade. And you can see that at this moment BTC did exactly beautiful drop as we planned, as we predicted. Additionally, many days ago, I recorded to you another ideas I shared, but I warned you about potential drop. My first idea about potential drop was November 26th, where I warned you after some consolidation, price create a bull trap, and after that, downtrend go on. As you can see, after that, I did update about this idea, retest to VWAP, 96, 97 key zone, and after that, additional significant drop. Additionally, inside in our community, I warn our community members and I share with them best areas where to take trade. As you can see, 22nd on Thursday, I warned about some consolidation and after that drop. That's the reason why at this moment I ask you to push like and go down, follow me on Telegram because quite a lot of ideas regarding trading we share only in our public Telegram. Even here, I want all our community not to look for reversal on BTC when price of BTC was at 84,000 because there was significant sell-off, and you can see that Bitcoin dropped 11% since that moment. That's the reason you must be there. Additionally, every person who would follow us will get special bonus from you. Let's go to Bitcoin and where we actually can make money. First, regarding BTC, you can see that the price at this moment already accelerated. And at this moment, the most important question, what we can do the next. First, I think it's obvious that we are in downtrend. At this moment, it's obvious. But when price overextend, we wait or for pullback or for a range to take a trade for continue of this downtrend. That's it. Key area at this moment for short would be around value area low, around 86,000. It is value area low of this entire composite profile. By the way, video about why volume profile is good and beautiful, I will share it with you in the video. Additionally, if we build VWAP, you can see when we build VWAP, at this moment, VWAP around 87. I think in the case of reaching this area, VWAP also will be higher. That's why around this area, it is the best place for a new short trade. If price, of course, would deliver good entry idea. What about long? Honestly, at this moment, the worst thing that you can do is to look for reversal. It's nearly the same as it was here. Example for you, like this one. When price started trend, and you look for reversal, how it would end? With many stop losses. What's the best? First, the best. It is when price create some range like this one. And only after clear range high, you could take a long trade against a trend. Another example for you, let's cover, it would be like this one. Price started this uptrend, and what happened after that? You can see price did so many moves up, and only when price did first sell off, what happened after that? After that, those area became key resistant because you don't know how far they can go. Yes, in some cases they would do something like this. They reach key area and there would be immediate buy off, but it's difficult to predict. It's extremely difficult to predict because you don't know in what cases it would happen. The best for you, the best for me, first retest this key area, we take short, or if price creates some consolidation, be a trap, you can take long. That's only two options that we have at this moment. In those cases, consolidation should be 3, 4, 5 days plus, and only it's possible would be to take a trade out of a range. That's, for example, would be a trade against a trend only in the case of consolidation. And trade for continued downtrend would be around 86,000. Of course, we would wait for some stop, consolidation, open interest trap, all that stuff. It would be best confirmation to take a trade. What about other coins? Let's discuss about other coins. But before, I have a really good news. If you would like to receive a systematic signal for me on top coins where to take trades, clear updates where our community members take significant trades. As you can see, long on Hypecoin, short on BTC. You can see I warn our community members about good place to take short if that's what you're looking for. Additionally, on daily basis for our community, we record trading plans where we explain to them where to take trades with clear stop loss, take profit. When we have, of course, good clear ideas, we show to them what would be the best place to take a trade. As you can see, what would be stop loss, take profit on daily basis, as you can see, every day. Additionally, all our community members can ask questions and make money together with us. If that's what you're looking for, if you need such updates plus education, you come to us. What you do at this moment, below this video, there would be a special link. Open it. That would be first link. You open it. There would be special form. Write your name, email, phone number with international standard. And after that, join to us because we will help you make money together. Additionally, I would like to show you a few results that I personally also trade every single day. And you can see, yes, I have red days, but most of my profitable days, they are way, way bigger. For example, this one, like this one. We don't want to show you some unrealistic expectations. We want you to show reality. You will have good, bad days, but the most important, it is a dynamic. What about BTC regarding what about BTC in terms of a bigger time frame? In terms of bigger time frame, we are in this downtrend go on. I think soon we will face a wave of accumulation, but the most important question when it would happen. Globally, I do believe that there's still a chance for additional drop. I think bottom for BTC could be around from 40 to 60K. Main reason why that area is really important because if we build a VWAP since bottom of 2022, that's exactly a place around 58 VWAP, 0.5 deviation below 43. Honestly, below 43, it would be just best of the best. If you will see price of BTC here, that's a moment when you build position, when you accumulate spot as far as possible. It would be just golden area. And remember, if BTC reaches this area, most of altcoins also would drop a lot and also would be at significant discount. What about like that's a globally? I expect for BTC continues this downtrend. Sooner or later, there would be a wave of accumulation, and after that, start of a new cycle. Like sooner or later, BTC drop. After that, there would be big accumulation, and that big accumulation we would use as opportunity to build spot position. But I think there would be additional few more drops before it actually happens. Regarding a few words about Ethereum hype, ZAC, Litecoin, and SUI. Ethereum, as you can see, correlate to BTC a lot. Honestly, I have the same plan for at this moment for Ethereum as for BTC. Key resistance for me at this moment at range low, which is which is around 2,800 to 2,900. It is a key resistance area for me for BTC, for Ethereum, which is good for new short and place for long only if price consolidate, create bear trap, and only after that we could use some potential trade. We have at this moment key support zone. It is this imbalance that started this up move, and second key zone for Ethereum, of course, it would be a low of a previous year below 1,400. Time will show. Still, trend is down. Only when we will see a clear reversal, we would trade that clear reversal. Just to tell that there would be a reversal right now, I don't want to do. Solana also, as this beautiful range high, as you can see, also dropped. At this moment, we have the same value area low. As you can see, most of volume, it is a key resistance at this moment, start at 122 area. It is a key resistance at this moment for Solana, where we look for a short. And regarding long, we also wait for same range before we take a trade. Let's go to Hype, Litecoin, and SUI because they're really interesting. Regarding hype, as you remember, I wrote inside our community many days ago, because on hype I also shared this public signal. Sometimes we share public signals in Telegram. What about hype? As you remember, hype pumped really hard because of significant volume entered inside. As you can see this here, 100 mil entered into hype, and price after that did 35% more. At this moment, hype, as you can see, compared to many other coins, looks completely different, because hype strong, hype really super strong, hype around VWAP, and we have this massive volume. Honestly, for us, it's the best simply to wait, because we don't know what would be the direction of that volume. If that would be, for example, bear trap, there could be some rise. What would be the best pattern for me? For example, bear trap, after that consolidation out, and we take trade. In that case, I would take long. Or opposite, bull trap, after that consolidation, we take short. At this moment, we wait for one of these plans before we take a trade, because it's clearly that this volume will make significant move soon. The next one, ZAC. Regarding this coin, I think you remember I shared so many plans inside our community about potential short. The last, like you can see, I shared here plan to take short on ZAC. Before I shared plan to take short on ZAC. Additionally, 25 days ago, I shared the signal on our inside our community to take short on ZAC. ZAC may be played out the best plan. ZAC played out maybe the best all our plans which we expected for a drop. What about right now? At this moment, coin dropped took range low. At this moment, I think the best would be is simply to wait for a new pullback to VWAP, and after that take short. Because at this moment, when price took this key zone, it's a little bit overextended. We wait or pull back to around 400 area, take short. Or second option, price at this moment creates some consolidation above 1 week, and after that we take a new short. Globally, as I told you, we will see this coin around this area. You will see it here. Litecoin. Regarding Litecoin, remember I shared quite a lot of ideas, and honestly, that's example for you why you need to be open-minded. Remember on my page regarding Litecoin, I shared quite a lot of ideas. I shared when significant volume entered and all of this stuff. Additionally, as you remember, last plan it was short around 71, 72, long possible only if price break VWAP, and you can see that since that moment, price still did not broke above VWAP. You can see this VWAP. Let me build it. It was exactly here VWAP when most of volume entered. That's just example for you why you need to use open interest together with market structure, because in some cases, like price also could be pushed down. And pay attention what they did. Since this area of open interest, they dropped by 29%. At this moment, as you can see, it's overextended. Honestly, any long possible only if Litecoin would create some consolidation and create clear bear trap. At this moment, like it is this plan. Regarding short, I think at this moment I don't have short plans, and SUI, the same with SUI, as you can see. Additionally, massive open interest rise it started, and have a look how price what they did. They simply consolidate, drop, consolidate, dropped. At this moment, I advise you to focus on Solana, Ethereum, and BTC, because honestly, most of coins would follow them. Market would make significant correlation. That's why I summarize to you. During these few days, I think there would be some pullbacks because price already did significant drop. Wait for while price reach key sell zones, and after that build new short positions. At this moment, I prepared for you a new video regarding my trading strategy with open interest, because open interest is a powerful tool, but you need to know how to use it properly with a market structure. That's why use it. Have a good day.